Hi, you are watching Farming Discover channel. Now we will show a video on cowshed design idea. Watch till end of the video and like. Dairy farming is a form of agricultural practice where livestock for milk production are raised. The milk produced from cow is very important in day-to-day life. It is one of the most profitable forms of business, but the choice of breed should be proper to yield better results. Farmers should learn more techniques about dairy management, proper breeding, methods to prevent diseases, primary care, balanced feed management, and many more modern methods for good production. Advantages of dairy farm. It's a good source of income to the farmers. The profit not only comes from the milk but also from its byproducts. The cow urine and dung can be used as manure for farmlands. The cow extract can be used in producing biogas and it can be profitable. Design plan for dairy shed design and construction. Cow shed flooring. A floor which is inside the barn should be made of impervious material. It can be cleaned easily and get dried faster, and it wouldn't be slippery for the animals. Concrete floor will be better than all the other floor types. The gradient of the floor should be laid with 1 to 14 from the manger. The complete floor space which is required is 65 to 70 square feet. Cow shed roof. For any construction, roof is an essential part of the building as it protects from sun, wind, heat, cold, and rain. The roof integrity is very important for the structure of the building. It should be designed as per the dead load such that it should be capable of bearing heavy winds, snowfall, and drifting dust. Roofing should be durable to make leak-proof and resistant to fire. For constructing a roof, there are many varieties of designs and materials are available. Cow shed roof types. Flat roof, earth roof, mound-pitched roof, double-pitched roof, hip roof, conical shaped roof. The height of the roof should be 8 inches at the sides and the ridge should be 15 inches feet. Wall construction for dairy farm. The walls should be constructed in such a way that they are capable of bearing the load of roofs. The walls which are inside should have a smooth finish as it will not allow any dust and moisture to stick with it. Wall height should be 4 to 5 feet. Iron pillars are used to support the walls. Doors for dairy farm. For security reasons, doors are also essential during the construction of a dairy farm. They should be strong enough and they should be convenient and easy. The cow sheds should have a door width of 5 to 6 feet and a height of 7 feet, and if at all the shed has double row, then the width of the door should be increased to 8 or 9 feet. Doors should be flat against the external walls. Gutter for shed. The gutter is made to remove the waste from the farm. The width of the gutter should be 2 inches with a crossfall. A gradient should be there for every 1 inch for 10 feet inches so that the waste flows freely without sticking. Milk room for dairy farm. Milk should be kept in a cool area. In large dairies there would be 400 to 700 liters of milk which require a storage area of 3.7 meters by 5 meters, and we can add an addition of 0.37 meters for every 40 liters of the milk production. For small dairies 100 liters of milk is produced each day, and a small room of area 3.75 meters by 3 meters for storing the milk and concentrate food is enough. Cattle feed shed. About 5 to 10 kg of straw or hay is consumed in a day by adult animals, as younger animals consume 2 to 5 kg of hay or straw in a day. Large amounts of hay or straw should be stored and a feed room should be constructed accordingly. Single row system. In single row system 12 to 16 numbers of animals can be kept. Double row system. The number of animals are above 16. In a single shed up to 50 animals can be maintained in a double row system. Distance between two sheds should be more than 30 feet. Cow shed design ideas. If there is less number of animals, then they can be maintained in a single row. If the number is more, then they should be maintained in a double row. The number is 80 to 100, then they are kept in a building. Method of standing cow's tail. Advantages of tail system. By this method cleaning and milking would be easy. The transmission of diseases would be gradually decreased. Milking supervision would be easy. More fresh air can be inhaled by the animals from outside. Method of standing cow's head. Advantages of head system. It will be easy to bring the animals into the shed. Animals can be easily fed. Gutter is directed towards the sun so less spread of infection. The exhibition of animals will be better for the visitors. Milk barn design. A fully covered barn should be maintained for the milk cattle. The location of the milk barn should be maintained in the center of the dairy farm. Individual standings are required for the milch animals. The milk operations are carried out batch-wise. The dimensions of the milk barn. Length of standing space 1.5 to 1.7 meters. Width of the standing space 1.05 to 1.2 meters because 80% of length is covered for the standing space. Central passage width 1.5 meters to 1.8 meters. Feed alley width 0.75 meters. Gutter width 0.30 meters. Overhang 0.75 meters. Calf shed. Young calf should be kept here. These should be maintained either at the end of the shed or beside the milk barn. If there are more calves, then half of the calves should be maintained near the milk barn. Cow shed water system. The water supply should be adequate during the summer months. The water should be fresh and care should be taken that the cows don't consume stagnant water which may harm their health. sun and protection from wind. The farm facing should be towards the north so that it is exposed to the sun. And if the farm is facing to south, then there would be minimum exposure to the sun. The sunlight should reach the platforms, gutters, and the managers of the farm. The axis of the dairy barns should be always settled in north-south direction so that the maximum amount of sun rays can be available in the barns on the farm. We really hope that you have enjoyed the video. Like the video and share with your friends, and if not subscribed our channel, subscribe Farming Discover.